Many traders believe they need to learn every strategy they see on YouTube, buy multiple courses, or constantly switch between different trading methods to become profitable. That's a lie. The truth is that profitability often comes from mastering one strategy that gives you an advantage and executing it consistently. For example, imagine two traders. I'll tag them Trader A and Trader B. Trader A uses 10 different strategies and changes methods every week, while Trader B uses one strategy, understands exactly when it works, when it doesn't, how to manage risk, and has tested it hundreds of times. Now, Trader B will usually perform better because they have developed confidence, discipline, and consistency around a proven edge. A trading edge is simply a setup or approach that gives you a higher probability of making money than losing money. Think of it like a professional footballer. They don't become world class by learning 20 different positions at once. They master one role and keep refining it. So you can't be a striker today, a defender tomorrow, and then maybe an attacker the next day. You won't get to master the metrics that makes for you becoming successful in that place. In forex trading, success is really about knowing more strategies. It is usually about knowing one good strategy exceptionally well and applying it with patience and discipline. I hope this helps you.